Hello, my most amazing artist! One of your choices this week is you can draw in Google Drawing. I'm going to show you several different ways to draw on the computer, and Google Drawing is one of those choices. Okay, so you're going to go to Class Link, and you're going to go to Google Drive. You're going to click on Google Drive. You're going to wait for it to load, and then you're going to click New. You're going to click More and go to Google Drawings. In Google Drawings, you can create lots of fun things. There are 3 tools I want to show you. You can use lines, shapes, words, text, colors, okay? And you're going to see how to use that in this video. Many of you have already had an experience using that this year, so I just want you to play and have fun. This is just kind of a free choice week, this week in art. So this is one of the choices you can choose. We are not going to go to the photos. We're not going to get photos off the internet. You are only going to be drawing your own thing. You can see I right-clicked the middle of the thing, and I can change the background to be what color I want it to be. So when I click the word background, there it gives me color, and I can choose a color. Now I'm using shapes, the shape tool, to draw. Remember, you can change the color. It automatically makes it gray, but you can go up to the paint bucket and change it to be whatever color you want. So you can put shapes and lines together to make a drawing of what you want it to be. Right here, I'm going to click on my oval and my circle, and I'm going to go up to where it makes the border transparent, because I don't want to see that line between the head and the body of what I'm drawing. So I'm making the border transparent. Do you have to do that? Nope, you don't have to, but if you want to, that's how you do it. Now, I just drew a triangle, but it's not really going the direction I want. So I can click on that little rod, that little line and circle hanging out of the top of it, and I could turn it around and rotate it so it's going the direction that I want it to go. Don't forget, you can always change the color. Now I'm going to show you how to use the line tool. There's all different kinds of lines. You can change the kinds of lines. You can make them thicker. You can make them different colors. So when you click on it, you know right there, and you can change the colors of them. And then go right next to it. And the higher the number, the thicker the line. Okay, so I'm gonna speed up the video and let you watch how I make a bird. But you can make whatever you want. I just want you to have fun with lines, shapes, colors. You can use words and text, but we're not going to go get images or pictures from the internet. You need to make your own. Have fun! So when you're done drawing, you're going to go up here to where it has untitled drawing. You're going to give your drawing a title. Make sure you put your name in the title too and what grade you are. So if your name is Johnny and you were in second grade, put Johnny second grade, and then you call it whatever you want, bird or whatever. Then you're going to click the blue share button. The blue share button, you're going to type my name in it, and you're going to share it with me so I can see it. Otherwise, I cannot see what you made. You do want to change right there where it says editor. You want to change it to comment or viewer because you don't want to scale and mess up your drawing. I'm not going to, but you just need to get in the habit of always clicking changing that, because when you're sharing things, you don't want other people to edit it unless you are working together.